Good morning, my Facebook family. We are here live in the Queen's Curry Kitchen and we are cooking up a storm, right? So I'm working on my weekly menu. We are working on our weekly dishes. This is our vegan dal makhni. It's almost done. We already finished the cabbage stir fry. We already finished the spinach with mushrooms. And I'm gonna bring you over and start you on with my next dish. This is going to be peas with potatoes. So in this pan, I've caramelized, I've actually not caramelized, but just, made translucent some onions. And I started it out with hot oil and cumin seeds. I added some ginger garlic paste. I added a few onions. To this, I've added some Himalayan pink salt. Now I'm gonna go in and add some of the other spices. I have my turmeric. Lots of turmeric, man. Yeah. Disease fighting, immuno boosting turmeric. I never skimp on these vital spices because they are absolutely loaded with goodness. They help our body to heal from within. Okay. All right. I'm gonna just turn down the heat just a little bit. Now you can see sometimes the tomatoes won't have a lot of color to them, so we're going to add maybe one ladle full of tomato puree to that, and I'm making about 8 portions for our clients. So there you go. This is gonna help to add a little bit of a color to this. To this, I'm also gonna add some dry fenugreek herb, just a little bit, not too much. And because I've added turmeric, I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Just helps better with the absorption. So even when you're cooking at home, please make sure you add black pepper to your dishes that use turmeric. Okay, my dal is done. As you can see, I've turned it off. It's ready to cool down. This is loaded with whole spices, cardamom, clove, bay leaf, you name it, all the goodness. This is totally vegan. If you make it at home, you can make it with coconut milk. I have not added any yet because some of my clients have tree nut allergies, so no coconut milk in this dal for them. And if you're not vegan, you can definitely add some heavy cream. It's a really nice, rich taste, very comforting. It's got 3 lentils in it, the black McPea beans, kidney beans, and green mung beans. Jumping right over, we're gonna keep stirring this. And basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to have this masala or this tadka really cook up nicely so that all the oils will be released. Gonna add a little more coriander powder. At this time, you can go ahead and add the potatoes because they do take some time to tenderize. And I'm doing it on a stovetop, but you can do it in a pressure cooker, instant pot, whatever you have. You can use that. It just goes faster because you can just steam them, right? I'm afraid I'm not able to see any comments of anybody that's joining in, but I did see some hearts go up, so thank you for that. I appreciate it. Thank you for being with me on this journey. Yes, a lot of potatoes. I try not to use potatoes in every dish because in North India, typically they'll put potatoes with everything, like potato with eggplant, spinach with eggplant, spinach with potato, eggplant with potato, peas with potato, but I've tried to cut back on potatoes and I don't try to do too many dishes with potato. I try to keep it hearty. Sometimes I use sweet potatoes, sometimes I use another substitute like chickpeas or whatever, but not to over consume potatoes, even though it's one of my favorite vegetables. Okay, so all the potatoes have gone in. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. So the steam that's coming off of the tomatoes that are disintegrating is actually going to help to break down the potatoes a little bit. At this point, you might want to go back and add some extra salt because whenever you put potatoes or anything starchy, it's going to soak up a little more salt than usual. So always factor for your starchy, oh well, yeah, gotta clean. If you have time to lean, you have time to clean, baby. Always clean your workstation, keep your hands clean. Don't scratch your head. Don't pick your nose. Yeah, like a surgeon, right? Okay, so this is coming together beautifully. Now I'm going to go in and add a dash of cilantro. There can never be enough cilantro in this world, right? So my food is very mildly flavored. It's not spicy at all, except for the black pepper that I add in order to aid the absorption of the turmeric. I really don't add any green chilies, or it's not hot food. It's just flavorful. And the way the flavor comes is from cooking it patiently, from cooking it through nicely, from slow simmering it, keeping an eye on everything. That's how we do it. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for all of the liquid to dry up in here, and then I'm gonna go back and add the peas. I will add additional liquid, and then I will adjust the seasoning based on the consistency that I want to keep for my curry. And that's gonna give me a potato and pea curry. I will keep you posted. I will put pictures of everything that I'm cooking so you can see what the final product look like. And I will also show you all the other dishes that we're cooking for this week. Okay, like always, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to take a class with me, you can go to www. Do I have a yellow nose? Dang. Okay, well, what can I say? www.queenscurrykitchen.com. All the class information is there. My spices, my book, the Vegan Indian Home. It's all there. If you want to get on the meal delivery plan, all you got to do is send me a private message or get onto the website. All the information is there. I got to get back to that before it burns and I have to redo it. So until then, be blissful, be flavorful, and I will see you in the next one. Take good care. Bye.